What's up, everybody? I just got you very like interesting statistics for you on bottled water consumption of UK between 2013 and 2022. Between 2013 till 2019, total consumption increased by 745 million liters. 745 million liters. From 2019, COVID came. It slowed down. In 2019 was 2.8 billion, and then it decreased 2020 and 2021 due to COVID, I guess, and then in 2022 it again shoot up to previous figures. Now imagine how much is in 2024. Must be increased so much. Now plastic bottled water companies, they will not produce until you unless you demand it. So it's all about demand supply. Kangen machine can solve this plastic pollution problem. Guys, the decision starts with you, your awareness. Stop being ignorant, wake up. It's all your choice. You decide. Get your Kangen machine, change your life. Stop pollution. Peace. Love you. Take care.